Welcome back, nurses and future nurses, to Dosage Cal with Nurse A. I have some more dosage for you. So I have some conversions that we're going to be doing. So we're going to be going from big to small. Remember, we're going to be doing some multiplication. From small to big, we are going to be dividing. So let's go ahead and write this conversion table out. So we know that 1 kilogram equals, correct, 1,000 grams. We know that 1 gram equals 1,000 milligrams. And then 1 milligram equals to 1,000 micrograms. Micro meaning small. Very good. So our first problem says 416 micrograms to milligrams. So which one of these conversions do you think we're going to be looking at? All right, we have to get something that has micrograms and milligrams in it. All right, because that's what we're dealing with. So we will be looking at this conversion right here. Milligrams is in it and the micrograms is in it. So let's do our dimensional analysis. We are looking for milligrams. So let's go ahead and write milligrams first. And milligrams have to go on top. So in this one, we see that it is 1 milligram equals to 1,000 micrograms. All right. And we need to know how much 416 micrograms is. So let's cross out micrograms. Micrograms, we're left with milligrams. All right. Now we can solve. So 416 divided by 1,000. All right. Is going to give you, you just simply put it in your calculator, or you can do this. Is a decimal usually behind that whole number? So you bring it 1, 2, and 3. All right, that's just a shortcut that you can do. But if you don't know how to do it that way, just simply put it in the calculator. All right, it's gonna be 0.416. Always remember to put that 0 in front of that decimal, all right? We need to know that this is not a full whole number, all right? The second one reads, let's go ahead and write this in here. The second one reads 33 grams equals to how many milligrams? So we need to find something in our conversion table that tells us grams and milligrams. And which one would that be? Correct. It is going to be this one right here, all right, where it has grams and it has milligrams. We need to find out how many milligrams. So let's go ahead and write that out first. Milligrams, all right? And because we're looking for milligrams, it has to go on top, all right? So in our conversion that we are we're going to be talking about is 1,000 milligrams equals to 1 gram, all right? We have gram on the bottom, so let's go ahead and put gram on top. And it is 33 grams. Let's cross out gram and gram. We're left with milligrams. Now we can solve. 1,000 times 33 equals to a total of 33,000. All right. So let's go ahead and write that here. And we could have simply known as well that if gram to milligram, which is bigger to small, you're going to be multiplying as well. All right. Now our very last one. This one right here, we're going to have to definitely do some conversions out, all right? So let's go ahead and put micrograms because that's what we're looking for. Since we're looking for micrograms, micrograms have to go on top, all right? So in this problem, we are going to have to jump from all the way from grams to get all the way to micrograms. So we have a lot of conversions that we're going to have to do. The first one that we need to do is we need to move from micrograms to milligrams. All right. So 1,000 micrograms equals to 1 milligram. All right. Now we need milligram on the bottom, so we need it on top as well. All right. So the next conversion is going to consist of this one because we need to jump from here to get all the way to our grams. All right. So the next conversion reads, because we know we need milligrams on top, it is 1,000 equals 1 gram. All right. Now, if we have gram on the bottom, we need gram on top. And that's going to put right here our gram, which says 0.416. All right, let's do some crossing out. Grams with grams, milligrams with milligrams, and we're left with micrograms. So we need to multiply 1,000 times 1,000 times 0.0145, which should equal to a total of 14,000, 500. All right. So we're gonna put that here, 14,500. So because we were going from grams to micrograms, like we have to jump here first, then we got to jump there to go back here. So we just showed different conversions, 2 conversions in one problem. If you like this video, please comment, subscribe, and follow for more. Thank you.